In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Zoho Mail. If you want to organize your inbox automatically and save time managing incoming messages, creating rules in Zoho Mail is a very helpful feature to learn. Rules, which are also called filters, allow you to sort, label, move, or handle emails based on specific conditions you choose. This is especially useful if you receive a lot of messages every day and want your mailbox to stay clean and easy to manage. To get started, open your Zoho Mail account and make sure you are logged in. Once you're inside your mailbox, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This icon opens your settings, where you can control different options related to your account and email experience. Go ahead and click the gear icon to continue. After the settings panel opens, find the Mail section and look for the Filters option. Filters are the place where Zoho Mail lets you create automatic rules for incoming emails. Click on Filters to open that area. You should now see the available filter settings and options related to email automation. From here, click New Filter. This will open the setup window where you can create a new rule from scratch. In this section, start by entering a name for your filter. Choose a name that clearly describes what the rule is for, so it will be easier to recognize later if you ever need to edit it or remove it. Next, fill in the other necessary details and set up the conditions for the rule. This is where you define when the filter should apply. For example, the rule can be based on details such as the sender, subject, or other message criteria available in the filter settings. Be careful to choose conditions that match your goal, because this determines which emails the rule will affect. After setting the conditions, add an action as well. The action tells Zoho Mail what to do when an incoming email matches the rule. This is the part that makes the filter useful, because it allows your inbox to respond automatically according to your preferences. Once everything is set up and you have reviewed the name, conditions, and action, click Save. Your new Zoho Mail rule will then be created and ready to work automatically on matching emails. And that's it. You now know how to create rules in Zoho Mail and make your inbox more organized and efficient.